Let's see how to insert or remove comments in Microsoft Word. Now first, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now to insert a comment, simply highlight the text that you want to comment on, go to the Review tab, and click on New Comment. And that should open up this tiny box right here that allows you to comment. For example, let's simply type comment or clarify. Now click send, and it should show up like this with 3 options right here. Now to remove this comment, what you can do is either resolve this thread, and as you can see, this comment right here on the side has been closed. However, you'll still see this icon right here. That means the thread has been completed. When you click it, it will open up this new tab on the right that allows you to see the comment that you originally resolved. Now let's click reopen to allow the comment to be reopened again. And let's go ahead and close that. And as you can see, the comment is still there. If we want to delete a comment, what we should do is click this icon right here, these 3 dots, and click on delete thread. And that should delete the comment. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.